Hi, my name is Aritha Vikramasinghe, and I'm the Equality Law Director here at iProbono. Through our Equality Law program, we increase and improve access to justice to LGBT plus individuals across the world. We have a strong focus here in South Asia, primarily Sri Lanka, India, Nepal, Bangladesh, and Pakistan. Today I'm going to speak to you about our Sri Lanka Equality Law program, where during the last year, we've seen some profound changes in the country's direction and acceptance of LGBT plus people and rights. A very important case that we intervened in last year was that of an attempted prosecution and incarceration of a lesbian woman by both her family and Sri Lankan police. The police attempted to subject the woman to a forced physical examination and a psychiatric evaluation because of her homosexuality. We challenged the basis of these evaluations and argued before the court that homosexuality was neither mental illness nor a criminal offense in Sri Lanka. The court agreed with our arguments and dismissed the police attempts here. We also went further by seeking a protection order for the woman under the Domestic Violence Act against her own parents. This is the first time that the court gave such an order to protect an LGBT plus individual from abuse by their own family. This intervention was very successful and set a precedence. It was also mentioned by the US State Department's Human Rights Report for Sri Lanka for 2022. iProbono also worked very closely with parliamentarians, including especially MP Premnath Dolawatta, who submitted his private member's bill to decriminalize homosexuality in Sri Lanka by amending the penal code. We worked very closely with the MP to refine his proposal and to ensure that it meets international standards and also the expectations of the LGBT plus community here in Sri Lanka. Our close work with law enforcement, with government, and with politicians meant that we could also seek a substantial apology from the head of police in December last year for historic violations by the police against the LGBT plus community. This was a transformative decision and a historic statement from the police for the community. Finally, we successfully intervened against attempts to challenge the constitutionality of the private member's bill that was decriminalizing homosexuality here in Sri Lanka. Our lawyers challenged submissions made that the decriminalization bill was going to increase rape and violence against others and was putting children at risk from abuse by homosexual persons. The court agreed with our decision and made a groundbreaking precedent-setting determination that not only declared that the bill was constitutional, but that the bill would be enhancing and increasing the constitutional rights of the LGBT plus community.
iProbono is a global social justice organization with a mission to enable people to access their rights in pursuit of a just society. We provide holistic counsel with a strong, lean team that delivers strategic direction and execution, while also leveraging the expertise and commitment of a wide community of pro bono lawyers.